The food pack system does actually handle both bone-in and bone-out system. It's actually managed differently. The bone-out system, the boneless beef, or boneless meat I should say, the key to that is that it is mechanically compressed inside the food pack in order to get the benefits both from a microbiology point of view and also from a meat quality point of view, the benefits that the food pack offers. So the mechanical compression of the meat removes the air from inside the food pack that remains as the meat is packed into the food pack. So that mechanical compression removes that air. That makes it an anaerobic environment, just like a vacuum bag, and generates the storage capability. The food pack system mechanically compresses to remove the air, but it also presses the meat together into one very large block. And the benefit from a meat quality point of view is that that immobilizes the water component. It doesn't allow the fluid in the meat to leak out because there's nowhere for it to go. It's mechanically held in a very confined space. So that gives you some of the meat quality benefits that food pack offers. Now in the case of bone-in product, because the bone is still there, you can't mechanically compress it. It would do damage to the product. So what's done there is the meat is held on individual shelves inside the food pack, and that environment then is gassed with to remove the oxygen and essentially replace it with carbon dioxide or a mixture of carbon dioxide and other inert gases. And that then gives you the environment, the storage environment for the product that gives you the shelf life that it needs. What happens to the product when it's put into the food pack, when it's mechanically compressed, and that's the normal way of storing boned out product, is that two things happen. First, the air that's trapped inside the food pack as it's being loaded with the individual cuts, that is expelled from the inside of the food pack. So the compression forces the air out, and that generates the anaerobic environment that you need to get good storage of meat. So the first benefit is to remove the oxygen. The second is that you then convert the meat into one very large block. It would be about 100 to 150 kilograms of meat as a single block. And what that means is that the fluid component of the meat that has a tendency to want to escape the meat is purged, and you see that quite a lot in vacuum bags. There's really nowhere for that fluid to go. So it's being held inside the meat, and it gets reabsorbed by the meat during the storage period, and that generates some of the eating quality benefits that you get, the meat quality benefits that you get.